So right off the bat, you guys can see, like I said, snacks. Yeah, a lot of little snacks. Drinks. I got the hugs. I got water. Um, I have here, which is the Capri Sun, the 30 pouches. I picked up more bread from the last vlog you guys seen. Oh, and my total was like 338. I'm leaving from Walmart. All this come from Walmart. This is the Roaring Waters. Got that sitting on top of another box of Capri Suns. That's the 30 pouches. 10 come in each pouch. I have orange juice, milk, some asparagus here. Cheese, 2 packs. I actually wanted the kids like the Paw Patrol, but I guess they didn't have it, so they gave them these. But it's fine. We have 2 packs of these. I got some breakfast sausages. I have butter. I have 2 cans of no beans chili cheese, so we have chili cheese dogs. Trying to make sure you guys can see each item. The 24 ounce of the Go-Gurts. A1 steak sauce because I have steak. I don't know what you want, Carson, but I know you need more. Some teriyaki sauce when I'm doing like a teriyaki noodle or something like that. I got 2 apple juices, some cranberry grape juice, coffee. Me and baby fell in love with these sweeties. Baby, 1 bag to do. I'm not done shopping yet, honey. I don't even have any real meat here. I was telling them that this order came from Walmart. The lady just dropped it off. I got those cherry mix, but most of this is like just snack food, snacks for the kids. I got these for me and babe. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I see they made a little box of these. Right. From the last time I showed you guys that we fell in love with these.
Yeah, those are really, really good.
The kids love these now. I picked up these to try. The chocolate in the inside. Babe love his golden grams.
Gotta be the retro recipe.
Oh, the back in the day, babe?
Yeah, that's the original one is the best.
I got some more of the bell peppers. Can never go wrong with those. Some more creamer. For my coffee, y'all know I gotta have my coffee. Mayo, which I have some, but I need something backup supply. This Italian. Self-explanatory, you guys know. Mayo. I got the sweet chili. I seen someone actually eat some of the seafood with this, so I wanted to try how they had it. Some more ketchup. Like, literally, when I just did my last vlog, if I show you guys that ketchup, and it was on $1 and something, but the way my daughter run through ketchup is crazy. So, and they don't care about the branding when it comes to stuff like that. So, I picked up the cheapest and the biggest. I got some more Parmesan cheese. I got some Gala apples here. I got some more Frank's 2 packs. They love these Idaho fries. I got 2 packs of these. And when I finish, I'm going to put everything, like the cold items, in the deep freezer. Back here, I have, I already explained to you guys that they run through ranch. I got some Swiss rolls, zebra cakes, brownies, oatmeal cream pies. I got a big box of the Pop-Tarts, chips. As you can see, living in the house with toddlers and kids, already open. Chips, more chips. I always try to buy the cookies and stuff family size instead of buying a little pack. Is more efficient, and I do have like my Ziploc bag, so once they open it, I just put it in the Ziploc bag to keep them fresh. Family size. Boneless chicken bites. And the chicken strips. And I've noticed, like, I don't too much. I really just started eating, like, chicken strips and stuff like that. I don't too much eat that kind of stuff. But I think, to me personally, that Purdue, and they have no added stuff in it, is a better brand than any other brand. And I love my Tyson products. Like I said, these are by Tyson. I love my Tyson products, and with small kids, you know, having nuggets and stuff like that. But Purdue is a great brand. Just to put that out there. We have the oatmeal chips, chocolate chip, 12 bars of these. I seen these, and I also seen this one. And I see that these had the dark chocolate in there for myself. When I want to have a snack, even though I am keto, not supposed to be having sugar. But I grabbed these because I think they had more in this box other than the small box. But everybody else in my house can't eat peanut butter, but I can. So I guess that's a steal for me. And they like the Welch's, but they prefer these better than the Welch's. So I got a big box of these. This is a 40 pouch. Yeah, fruit snacks. All the kids love these, the squeezables. This is apples. They usually have different varieties. Yeah, this apple and apple cinnamon. The squeezable applesauce in here. So if you want something easy without the mess, I always try to go for the squeezables. It's easy cleanup. You ain't got to worry about it. Popcorn for kids. Corn dogs. More fruit cups. I got the Roger Woods. I like these sausage. I told you guys that the last time. I didn't realize that these were spicy. So I guess me and Babe will have these. And like, I like these for seafood and everything. When you want to do some quick burgers, I got the flounders. I'm really not picky about the frozen burger patties because, I mean, you put your seasoning on them and you make it like how you want it. So, easy peasy. I also like these pizzas from Walmart because I feel that they come fresh. As long as you keep an eye on them, it's just a quick dinner. I got the ultimate meat pizza and pepperoni. So I got 2 of those. My son love Eggos and love waffles and pancakes, breaded breakfast stuff. My son love it. I also got them these mozzarella sticks. I got them some pickle sausage and some more pickles. Me and Babe each have our own boathouse self-explanatory. Just get your extra greens in with a little sweetness to it. And yeah, like I said, this total everything that's on this table came up to like $3.30. And I didn't realize, well, I know that they substitute at Walmart because a lot of the stuff I ordered in a smaller portion, but I guess they upcharged it, or just like, if they didn't want to not give it to me, so they gave it to me big. Because usually, like, for months I haven't been buying sugar. I will only buy the little small sugar. And I know I put like, I didn't realize, I know I wouldn't have went in the store and bought this size sugar. I'm trying to show you guys the size. But it's the, what is this? What ounce is this? I'm not sure, to be honest. But it's kind of big. So that means I had this sugar for like months. That's the one thing we don't run through in here, because I haven't been buying it. So I only really use it when it's necessary. And not for my food. Like, I'll take, if it's corn or something, I'll take me some out of the pot and then cook the rest of it for the kids with the sugar in there, or for my husband, like something like that. Oh, this bread, I also bought. Oh, you guys seen the bread? Yeah, I think I showed you guys the bread. And yeah, that is our, what I would say, like, week and a half grocery haul, or weekly grocery haul, snack haul. Really, that's what it is, if you ask me, a snack haul, because as you guys can see, I don't have any real like meat here, no pork chop, no shrimp that I like to buy and things like that, because I haven't done my second round of grocery shopping. And I was home today waiting on babe to get here, so I decided to just, since I was home, just order my groceries and have them to deliver everything. Thanks to my Walmart Plus app, my delivery fee was free. I didn't have a delivery fee, but you always go back and add a tip for your driver. And I guess that is the pros of having that app, Walmart grocery app or Plus app. And on that app, you can order more than just groceries. But this week I ordered groceries, and you guys stay tuned for my meat update haul when I do that. But continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Forever with the Nobles. This is a haul for a family of 5. You guys can see basically the pricing of what you would spend for a week's in my house, or a week or 2 in my house. And like I said, this is just a lot of add-on products to things that we already have, and some of the things we ran out of that I had to re-up on. And a lot of the kids' snacks, they was telling me they needed snacks and they wanted snacks. So yeah, continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love, live life. Continue to stay safe. Continue to wear you guys masks. And yeah, continue to ride with the family. We're only going up from here. Thank you guys for watching. down. Let it caramelize a little bit. The fire. Turn it up a little bit. Now I got my shrimp seasoned and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and toss these bad boys over. Okay, my hands is clean. Woo. Got some asparagus already steamed. Got my wooden spoon because you know I'm fancy like that. Go ahead. Just add my shrimp to the pan. Turn it down a little bit. Come back. And all I'm doing is just slow cooking my shrimp. Just slow cooking everything. Don't burn that up, just slow cooking. And I'll come back and show you guys the aftermath. Teriyaki shrimp with butter and lemon garnished asparagus. Bomb.com. All me. Teriyaki shrimp with butter and lemon garnished asparagus. Bomb.com. All me.